Welcome. This is Mary Fish with Stampin' Pretty and StampinPretty.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I sell these gorgeous coordinating Stampin' Up! Products, as well as post to my blog every day with tips and ideas for paper crafting, free PDF tutorials. It's a great place to go, and you'll also find out about the latest Stampin' Up! Promotions. Today I wanted to share with you a suite of products. It starts with a stamp set called Painted Seasons, and this is the Stampin' Up! Distinctive stamp that gives almost this photographic quality and shading, so it kind of does the work for you in terms of really producing something amazing. So I'm going to just show you how simple it is to use these. I have the little succulent, and I also have a leaf on this upper plate. This is my Stamparatus. It's so fun because I can stamp from multiple directions. I can even flip the plates over and use them that way as well. So I've got some Pool Party ink, and you can see how it just literally brings that fine detail to life. So as soon as I see that it's covered, I have enough ink, and if for some reason there's an area that doesn't quite have enough, I can re-ink and stamp it right in the same place. In my opinion, that's absolutely perfect. Then I've got the leaf image that I'm going to stamp with Lemon Lime Twist. I still call this one Lucky Limeade once in a while. For those of you that have been around, I'm just going to ink this. Now I'm doing this one from an angle, but hopefully I'll get it even. And I can always redo it if I didn't. But I just want you to see how pretty the detail is. Gorgeous. One shot, perfect coverage. Love it. Love my Stamparatus, and I love this stamp set for the incredible results that you get. As a matter of fact, I created this card that shows you, I have the succulents, I used the tiny little leaf, and I used the leaves. So it only gets better because there are dies that coordinate with the different images. So there's a die for this leaf stem, a die for this kind of ferny guy, die for this little dude. There's a pine cone die, this gorgeous big flower, and then of course my succulents. And I will have information on these magnet sheets, as well as the Totally Tiffany pockets that I put them in to organize, in my YouTube description. So aren't those just gorgeous? I love how these work together. The stamp set is available as part of our Sale-A-Bration. It's an exclusive gift, only available now through March 31st of 2019. You can get it free at the $100 level. So for $100 Sale-A-Bration goes in $100 and $50 increments. This one is available at the $100 level and includes 12 sheets of this awesome, awesome designer series paper. So they work together. And then starting March 1st, the 4 Seasons dies will be available for purchase. So all 3 products really work well together for year-round use. This one is for purchase starting March 1st. You can certainly purchase that on my blog or from your regular demonstrator. And then these products are available now as a bundle at the $100 level. I'm a huge, huge fan of this stamp set, and that I hope you love this little card as much as I do. I just think it's simple and pretty and fun. I use the Stampin' Up! Dynamic textured embossing folder called Subtle to create this look. I ran it this direction and this direction to almost create that linen-y look. And then I have one other quick tip for you. I know my Simply Chamois isn't nearly as beautiful as when I started. They start out looking kind of gorgeous like this. But you can use them over and over, and they just get a little inky. That's a good thing, right? But I loved this tip I got from someone else to just cut them in quarters, because it makes it so much easier to just clean your stamps directly on your Stamparatus. So that's one more little tip for you today. So I love your comments. Please leave me a comment on my video description, or head over to my blog and subscribe to my daily updates. Again, these products, the Sale-A-Bration free products, can be earned now. And the dies and many other dies that coordinate with Sale-A-Bration products will be available for purchase March 1 or while supplies last, or March 31st at the latest. So it's a very limited release, and it's really going to be dependent on how much excitement is built around them. I feel they are going to be very hot, and I'm suggesting to my customers to look long and hard at them on March 1st when they become available for purchase. Thanks so much for joining me, and bye-bye.